In this video, we are going to be walking through how to add a job posting to Foodie Finder. We are at the dashboard. So we're already logged in and we're at our dashboard. If you have any questions about how to get to the dashboard, I encourage you to watch the how to log in video for step-by-step of how to get to the dashboard. So we're going to go over here on the left-hand side and we're going to click the red button, Add New Content. And we are going to click classified, which is also job postings. And if you are a Foodie Pro with Foodie Finder, you get 3 job postings included with your Foodie Pro listing. Okay. If you're a foodie and have a free account with us, your job postings are $29.95 a month, or you can pay yearly. So we're going to select this. This is the only plan that we offer, and we're going to click continue. So for me, this screen, it's going to say, what is your title? So we are going to be looking for bartenders. So for our dummy account, we're going to say we're looking for a bartender, okay? And that we are going to associate this with our restaurant listing, Tammy's Cafe. We are going to select a category, and we're going to use bar staff. You can have a summary description. Your summary description shows before someone ever clicks on the actual job posting. So we're going to type something very brief. Okay. Your description section. Now, this is where you can really get detailed that what about this job description that you want people to know before they ever go any further. Okay, so we're just going to type something. Maybe you want them to have previous experience. Okay, then the keywords. So bartender, maybe experienced. Okay, you can put keywords, your contact information. Who's going to be the contact? And I'll use our dummy account. A phone number, if you want to make a phone number available. Maybe you want to put the website address in so they can learn more about you. The address. Again, SEO information, search engine optimization information helps this job come up higher in the search engine results. Okay, and you can fill that information out. We're going to go up here to the right, and you can put a photo or a video or an additional file. Maybe you have a Word document that details all of the information about this position. You can upload it right here. So we are going to go in and we're going to add a photo for this job opening. And all I have to do is pick my picture and drag it over here. It will upload. Once that's done uploading, we can go to the next section, and let's say there is a YouTube video that is about your business that you want to include in here for somebody that sees this job posting, and you can do that. You can put a video description, and I've already talked about attaching an additional file. There's several formats that are allowed for this additional file that are listed right here. So when we're done, we're going to go down here and we're going to click the Save button. Now, once this saves, you are going to end up back at your dashboard. Okay, and when the dashboard comes up, we are going to go down to that section. Now we're back at the dashboard, okay? And we're going to scroll down and you will see right here, the job posting is right here. Now, again, you see that it's pending, it's orange. Once a Foodie Finder team member approves this job posting, it will turn green active, and you'll also get an email notification to let you know that it is now turned on. So we want to select this section and just click right down here, and it puts a red box around it. And we want to take a look at what it looks like on the website. So we're going to click the preview button. As you see, when it comes up here and shows a preview, this is what it will look like. When you complete all of your information, it's more detailed, but there's a message button. The short description is at the top. The picture that we uploaded, it says what business this job posting is offered by. If we would have put in the address, it would have shown the location, and then it has the detailed description. And this is what it looks like on the website. Now let's go back to the dashboard. And when you are selected in the section for the job posting, all of the information here in the center of this screen has to do with just this job posting, okay? All of the sections of information, from a listing to a deal to an event to a job posting, all has individual sections. And we talk about this in more detail, but if I click on listing, you'll see that the information here in the center changes. And there's another video that we talk in more detail about traffic reports and statistics. So I want to encourage you to make sure you watch that video as well. But just know that these are individual sections. So when you're inside of that, the information in the center has to do with that specific section.